Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Haka arpo arterik mentau benai no pra arja khat pra. Lapre pat ba saya ke wei ke jaka kilan men. Haka ni ganong ba Shillong, kabaran hapo ke Snong, Nong Rim Hills. Ya kini ke jaka kilan men ke ban penya da ke seng Nong Rim Hills Sports Social and Cultural Club. Kedai ke bala tingka dau MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Seat Shalok Sabha kuba Vincent H Bala haka jinglot ke pekot Chipolak tingka. Lapre pat ba ya kini ke jem dau Menteri ke Sarkar Jela ubare kmi ya ketnan Social Welfare uba Kermen Shilla ubara long kongsan haka ni ke jelang. Kat ba u MLA jong kanong thamai constituency uba Charles Pongrom ulalong usembor kongsan. Kiwai de ki baladan lang haka ni ke sengi kentom yau Dr. Jemino Mautho uba RJ Lingdo urang ba snong kasnong Nong Rim Hills uba Bantali Nari kidikot nong peniat snong kilong kami bat kiwai. Haka ni ke sengi lapan ko boromro ya ki rangi lekai jong ke Nong Rim Hills Sports Club ba lapan chong shet chusho ya ki ni ke sengi da ki jing ruai na ki kinhuan ba per na ki ni ke snong.
Hagitu report bangaran don handi. Still I am here in Shillong, but still mentangala shift shaka quarter mo government quarter. The hagitu report bangaran sa handi Nong Rim Hills hante Jan Mizo Modern School. It's really a time that I have enjoyed a lot. Ngam kun mau juban play ki ko tunga play. I have lots of friends. We enjoy games, sports, like anything. We used to play cricket, football. We used to go for gym. At that time, we feel that gym is good enough, but now I realize that maybe yeah, we still need some upgradation. So now today with SOS donation, so we get this better gym. So I wish that one day even me, I'll get a chance to join. Ngangker mau, hari itu report pengidangi lekai. We had lots of fun with friends. This room is like a dining room for us. After the game morning, we went for practice. I did the practice football. Don't even know honey. After the practice, Niwan Hane, Yabam. So I used to ask Batin, who is very close to me, now Ba, in a year, how much do you spend? Namanga Kamau. Recently, Batin in Akamau, Nakali, Ba, Hadu Mutafidan Ibam Kunchua, Yohoi. We still give the same money, which is really. It meant a lot. After practice, we need food, we need something more bante. So in this club, I feel that if don't come Yaki players, they provide. Namar Shete Shathai Jungi, East Angie Hills, Nimla provide Kenika club. So Naromta Yaki players Jungi, you are really lucky enough. But you're a Kenika club, Manila kind of Kenika club. Ni have supporting in the club. Resio, I'm so proud to say, Mumantang ski Yosneba, the Nong Rim Hills Kalara, the championship, Yakani tournament Arajakapra. I salute you all, you did the best. So I wish and I apologize. Namar Namla, but you don't know how to games, especially the final games. So please forgive me. But Nila, Patipinga game today. Kita pemlak kian ngamlak don't have to games. So I believe that, and I assure you, hopefully next year I'll be there. I don't know which game, but I'll try to be there. One of your games. So honey, I have nothing to say. Only one words. Nabanta jokini gym. Wala ay na honorable MP jongi. Nangis game ni kum kinong shnong jokini gishnong, but Kiweru kiba wa ban enroll yala day ban join yakini gym. Take care yakini gym ku badai ku babi take care yaki tiar haying. Namar if all of us take that responsibility to take care this kiniki tiar gym bala ai long kini it will stay longer. So if you don't take that value that I can keep core yakini gitiar. So kila ban save A in a very short time we do know yakini gitiar. So I believe that each and every one of us will take that responsible to take care each and everything of the snow. Take it as your own things. Take care of it so that it will still last. It will last long. Oh, oh,
Request our MLA to kindly do the honors for us. Nicholson Pang Song. Raymond Dhakar. Surya Thomley. Thank you. Viva Nongri. Bashampang Thongmi. I request. Assistant Coach.
That's right. Yes, never mind. Just 1 minute, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Together.